And meanwhile, in the drawing room at Lady Mountcharl's country estate in nearby Mansion.
Yes, Lady Mountcharl?
You know the mayor is coming round tonight to see my vast estate.
Yes, Mum.
I plan to start with the oversized vegetables.
Yes, Mum.
And then I will show him the wonderful display in my fruit garden. And then, of course, I will show him my... Millie,
Yes, Mum.
do those roses look pruned to you?
No, Mum, they don't.
Mr. Gardener, at once!
He's already at the door, Mum.
Geoffrey, just the man I wanted to see. Why haven't you pruned my roses?
Well, you see, that's what I've come to tell you about, Mum. You see, I spend all my day just scything and scything. And more scything. It's all I ever seem to do this time of year. I ain't got time for anything else.
So, you spend too much of your time scything.
Yeah, that's it, Mum. You got the picture.
Well then, perhaps we need a machine, a contraption to cut the grass quicker. But who could invent such a thing, I wonder?
I know a chap who works down at Chelford Mill who makes sort of contraptions. His name is Edwin Beard Budding.
Oh. Fetch him then, fetch him! Geoffrey, you can go now. I'm busy.
Lady Mountcharl?
Mr. Budding! That was quick. Millie, you can leave us now. Mr. Budding, I have the mayor coming round this afternoon, and I was going to give him a full tour of my estate. But nobody's pruned my roses.
Oh, dear, Mum. I'm sorry.
You see, the gardener says he spends too much of his time scything. So I thought we need a machine, a contraption to cut the grass quicker.
I see. But such a machine has not been contrived in the mind of a mortal man before. How would this machine be operated? Let me think.
It could be pulled by rabbits.
No, man. You see, you'd never train them. No, it would need to be pushed. Pushed by a human hand. Yes, I'm thinking out how it could be done. But you see, we need to think of a name. Something that conjures up human ingenuity in the glorious industrial revolution in which we live.
A mount shaft!
Or, ma'am, something else that describes its function. You see, it cuts. No. It mows grass. The lawn mower.
A mount shaft!
A lawn mower, ma'am.
Very well then. Get to work.
Oh, I will, ma'am. Straight away, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Oh, it's cold out here, Edwin.
Go away, Florence. Can't you see I'm busy?
Mother told me to tell you to come inside to have your dinner. You've been out here for hours.
But, I tell her I'm busy. I'm just putting the finishing touches to my,
Oh, hello, Edwin.
Oh, hello, John.
Hello, John.
Oh.
This is my new invention, John.
Ah, really? What is it?
Well, do you know Lady Mountcharft over in Minchinhampton?
Who doesn't, eh?
Yes, well, she instructed me to build a machine that can cut a grass quicker and easier than a scythe. So, I have built this.
A Mountcharft.
No, it's not called a mount shaft, it's called a lawnmower. Look, say, come on, closer. 2 wheels with a cylinder in between with cutting blades affixed to it. Now, when I push it along, you see the cylinder and blades rotate. This cuts the lawn.
You didn't steal those parts from the mill, did you? Only I came to tell you that your boss is on his way down here to ask you the whereabouts of those parts. Beard Budding! Do you know what's that thing there?
Well, sir, do you know Lady Mountcharft over in Minchinhampton?
Oh, who doesn't, eh?
Yes, well, she told me to build a machine that can cut a grass quicker and easier. You know, it cuts, mows, with lawns. It's called a
Shaft.
lawnmower, sir. Lawnmower.
I see. And, where did you get the parts to build this thing? I've got half my spindle machine missing. Sir, I know the whereabouts of your parts. For it was thousands of rabbits that came into your mill at 12 o'clock, midnight. Took those parts, they did.
I would check Salmon Springs if I was you. There's something very fishy going on there.
Oh, yeah.
Right, well, I'll go check out Salmon Springs then. See you later then, buddy. Bye.
Bye, sir. Well, that was too close.
Hey.
Right, I better get my lawnmower over to Lady Mountcharft.
Wait, Edwin. Don't you realise, if you can make more of these machines, I can help you sell them for as far as maybe nails worth. Or even maybe Dursley.
Dursley?
Dursley.
You really think we could sell them? Oh, tell me more about this, John.
Edwin! You left all your spanners all over the floor again. Why does he need so many spanners in all these different sizes anyway? Well, what's the point? I have to get him to do something about this, or what's the point of this industrial revolution? What it all boils down to is us women telling men what to do. That's what it all boils down to.
A truly heartwarming and inspiring story.
We best get back to work then.
Yeah, we best be off then. Right, cheerio.
All right.
Oh, hello again. Council Crane.
Yeah, you don't happen to have one of those adjustable spanners, do you?
Sorry, I don't have an adjustable spanner. I have the adjustable spanner. For this too was invented by Edwin Beard Budding.
What have you done?
Now, sit yourselves down and I tell you the story.
You can start telling the story and we'll just have our sorties.
Quick, let's get out of here. It was the year of 1835. And Edwin Beard Budding was working hard in his shed.